Good morning, student. Today we will see the practicals now. I will say in first morning 5 practicals of math first, and then 5 practicals of math second afternoon session. Today we have 3 periods. Okay. So now first practical, that is on graph. Already last year you have studied this graph, how to draw the graph. You see now to draw a line parallel to x-axis and y-axis on a graph paper and choose any 4 points on the line. Write the equation of line. Means here you have to draw two lines which is parallel to x-axis, y-axis. See here. For example, the given one graph like that you have to draw. This is parallel to x-axis. These two lines are parallel to y-axis, and this is the coordinate of this. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Okay, you have to draw two lines and take any, what you have to take, choose any 4 points. Any 4 point you have to take. See on this line, this 4 point on this line. So what is the x coordinate, what is the y coordinate, that part you have to write. Your procedure is given. Draw x axis and y axis, you know how to draw. Okay, then draw a line parallel to x axis like this. First x axis, draw anywhere from any point you can draw that line to parallel to x axis and y axis. Okay, take any 4 points on it and write the coordinates and observe the table. Okay, which of the two coordinates x and y, which of two coordinates x or y is constant, write it in the table. Means which coordinate you seen same. Okay, for example, see here what is the coordinate? Minus 5 2, minus 3 2, minus 1 2, 2 2, 4 2. Here 2 2, this 2 means y coordinate, first x is and another is y. Means when line is parallel to x axis, that time y coordinate is same, and when line parallel to y-axis, see here, x coordinate is same. So like this you have to identify and you have to write the points of that one. So here this is the last year workbook. Okay, so this student solve this one like this. Okay, you can take any points and then in the table, in this table, see here, student activity, one activity is given from that uh, previous one. So here you have to take another point. Okay, line parallel to the, what is here first, a line parallel to x-axis, a line parallel to x-axis below it at the given distance. Okay, so whatever be the distance you have taken, so you have to draw that line parallel to that and you have to write the x coordinate and y coordinate. And lastly, see here, what is same? Y coordinate is 2, y coordinate is 3.5, y coordinate is same here. Okay, because this is parallel to x-axis. Then another table is what? Like this. Here what is same? X coordinate is same. You can take any value, not like this. This is, for example, this is one of the practical I have to show it. But fill all these blanks. Read it carefully. This one you have to fill. So this is the first practical you have to do. Second is also very simple. See, to write the equation of line passing through the origin considering any 4 points. Here one diagram is drawn. See here that line passes through the origin, means from this point. You draw any two and take any 4 points on this. Here you have to draw that one. Okay. By any, but only condition is what? That line passes through the origin. Using this, you have to fill this value, the tables. See, student activity here, blank, one activity is they shown here. Okay. Here what is same? These ratios are same. So what coordinates you will take? Take the ratio of that your ratios also all same. Not like this only. Maybe different, but that ratios are same. Then you have to find what is there, constant or not. What is the value of this y upon x? Okay. Then y upon x, then is x is divided. When it goes that side, multiply. This is the equation. One example they solve. Like that you have to solve next one. So complete these two practicals. Again, next two I will three I will explain. That is smaller. These two are big, but you have to fill this table. Nothing is different. Okay, but that should be in the practical workbook. You take it from the school. Okay, you will get that in the stationery, school stationery.